In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can import or link AutoCAD files inside 3DStudio Max. So we go to File, Import, and use Link AutoCAD. So you have the option to import or to link. When you link, you just need to select the CAD file that you want to link, and that's it. It's going to be then connected to your 3DStudio Max project, and then it will be automatically updated, and you can reload it if you change the settings, if you change the project in AutoCAD. So you can see here I'm selecting a DWG file. You can also use DXF as a CAD format, and then I can open it up. And so this is not gonna simply import it, it's going to link it. So I will do attach this file, and that is gonna be attached. Now you can see here that we have a manage link panel, and you can also manage the layers that you want to use or not. You can skip the frozen layers and so on, and you can then attach it. So right now you can see this is a plan view of an apartment. So I can now select all the different layers that I have set up in AutoCAD. And if you're interested, you can check the AutoCAD video course in the channel, as well as the 3DStudio Max video course. Now, if you want to proceed with 3D modeling, it's going to be real simple here. We can do an example with the link geometry. You can see here, you can always reset it or reload it, and you can extrude on top of that. So you can apply an extrude modifier, and that's going to be real easy to use a 2D drawing to create a 3D model. And then you can manage the height, the units set up in 3DStudio Max and so on. But this is covered in the 3DStudio Max video course. So this will be all for this quick video guide. If you're interested in other courses, check the channel, write in the comments for your questions, ask for assistance. You can subscribe also to the channel if you want to see more videos, and also if you want to give us a little support, you can join the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.